Today, I will be making circles out of Play-Doh. Remember that when you make circles, we must start with magic C, and then we can continue on into a circle. A great way to strengthen your child's hands is to have them open up the lid of the Play-Doh and then pull out the Play-Doh using their pincer grasp, which is their thumb and the pointer finger of the hand that they write with. Now, we can start to roll out our Play-Doh. Use two hands. Now that we have rolled out our Play-Doh, we can make our letter C and then continue on into a circle. Remember, let's start with magic C. Here's our magic C, and now we can move our magic C into a circle, like this. Let's trace our circle. Let's get the pointer finger of the hand that we write with. Let's do magic C, and then we're gonna continue on into a circle. See how many circles that your child can make out of Play-Doh. Remember to have them trace their circles with their pointer finger of the hand that they write with. Now it's your turn to try.